folks, welcome back. It's another Pearl Jam lesson and another Patreon vote for Janne Tunturi, who's got a big old long list of Pearl Jam tunes, so if you like them, then you are in luck. In terms of tones, I'm using the Unobtainium by Crazy Tube Circuit. I am loving this this pedal at the moment. Demo coming very soon, sounds like this. So let's crack on with the first riff. We're looking at Stone's parts pretty much throughout because he plays all the interesting stuff. Riffs and the melody lines over the top. So the intro section goes... And then you're into... the verse. Okay, so let's back up there. We've got a load of eighth notes and we're starting with a B. So you're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up. You could do down strokes if you want. You know, up to you. I'm just going to do lazy up and down strokes. So you do that for 2 bars. Then you go to an E. And note, I'm going from this shape with my first, third and fourth fingers to flattening my little finger where it stands, right? Or it sits. Stands, sits, where it is. Okay, makes it really easy to change quickly to that, that next chord. Again, you're going to do the E for 2 bars. Then you go C sharp, G sharp. And then back to the E. Live, Stone actually goes here. He plays it on the 9th fret. You could do that if you want, but I find it easy to just go down to the 4th fret. So you play 3. And again, I'm using this 1st and 4th finger. Because basically your little finger doesn't have to move then. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and with the upstroke, this one is basically 2 8th note, and then you're back into the 8th note strumming pattern again, okay? Then you go to the E. And once you've let that, you know, ring out for like 1 beat again, you do another 11. Okay, so slowly. Now for the verse, we then have this. That's the first 2 bars. Okay, and then again. And then you go down to the F sharp. Alright, and you're sliding up on that last note. So that phrase again. 2, 3, 4. Then we repeat part of that around again, the first 2 bars essentially. Eddie's vocals have come in at this point, right? Then you're going to play... Mix it up there, right? So you're going to go back to the E. So we have... So you're actually going to change on the 4th bar. You play 1 8th note. And then you go to the E. And then you play a further 7 on the E, okay? Then you go around the first part of the verse again. Then you're into the chorus. The chorus part's really simple. Well, Mike's part plays this anyway. You play B to E, C sharp to F sharp, and then to E. So we have... like that, okay? So B for 2 bars, E for 2 bars, C sharp for 2 bars, and then we do F sharp for 1 bar, E for 1 bar. All with 8th notes. Stone's part gets quite interesting then, so you're going to play this. 2, 3, 4. Going to play that, okay, which is lovely. So we have this, part of the E chord, but you're going to then play the 10th fret and the 11th fret on the B and G respectively. A little bit of strumming. At the end, right? So, but it's essentially 1, 2, 3 change. And that just rings out, okay? Then you play like that. Pretty straightforward. Then you've got this. So you do a rest for 1 beat. So it's 2, 3, 4, 1. 6, 6, 6. Number of the beast. And then 5th fret on the E to the 4th fret on the E. Then you've got an F sharp chord descending. F sharp major, and then an E major ascending. Part of it anyway, okay? Then you go into another verse and there's these fills over the top, which you'll hear repeated as well later on alongside the chorus, I think. But essentially they go. Like that, okay? So it's pretty straightforward. You've got 3 on the 12, 1 on the 11. The 11th fret on the G, okay? Then you repeat that around 2 more times. 3rd time you leave it ring out. Again. Play it twice and then that little turnaround. Round the whole thing again. Second time you play 12, 11, 12, and then you slide up to the 14. Or you could play the 9th fret if you want, but I think he slides it. Now the middle 8 and sort of solo part, we have a half-time feel. So we've got this. Right, that's 1 time round. The second time it goes. Into the intro riff, right? Pretty straightforward. You've got 7, 7. Then you do this rundown. 7, 6, 5, 2. Then a rest at the beginning, just a 16th note rest. So it's 3, 4, 1. That again slowly. So 7, 5, 7. And then 5, 7, 5. Slide your little finger down because then you're going to do 5, 2. Background again. This time you've got a dotted 8th note rest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You've got a little triplet there. Pretty cool. Again, slowly. Just a chromatic thing there, right? And then round again. Rest here for 3 beats, and then you have again. Same as bar 4. So then we go back into the intro riff. All that good stuff into another chorus. I think you go into a couple of choruses actually. And the outro is the same as the intro riff, you just cut it a little bit short, so it goes like this. So you end with that. And that is it, you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.